I've recently come back from London, having gone to pick up some post, and I'm intrigued to see what's in here. This is something that's come from a wonderful past student, Simon, who's based in Hong Kong. And I have to say, it's something quite difficult to get out. Looks like a poster. There we go. Oh, it's not a poster. Oh my word, it's a beautifully written letter. Dear Philip and your exceptional team, it has been ages since I have had the pleasure of handwriting a proper letter. Writing this letter has redefined or returned fond memories of sending letters to friends as a child. I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude for the recent etiquette lessons you provided. Your teachings were truly inspiring and empowering, and I cannot thank you enough for the true valuable knowledge and skills that I have acquired, which will greatly benefit me as a business strategist. The time, effort, and attention to detail that you and your team invested in this lesson to ensure a memorable and enjoyable experience for all of us were greatly appreciated. Your unwavering commitment to providing a high quality learning experience did not go unnoticed. The experience and improvement I learned from you and your team have been invaluable. I look forward to implementing what I learned and continuing to refine my professional conduct in the future. I'm confident that the skills I've gained will not only improve my own attitude, but also enable me to make a better impact by helping others develop their professional etiquette. I can see immense value in introducing the British School of Excellence's corporations and professionals here in Hong Kong. Once again, I extend my sincere thanks to you, Philip, and your team for your exceptional teaching. You truly have a gift for sharing your knowledge and experience in a way that is both engaging and informative. I hope to have the opportunity to learn from you going forward with your lessons again in the near future. Yours sincerely, Simon. Isn't that just unbelievable? I'm just absolutely blown away. It's on the most beautiful paper, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I'm just blown away.